Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in standard 7th English. As we all know that we had complete our second unit, poem 2. The name of the poem is If, and this time I am third chapter, that is inspiring us, right? That we are inspired from someone else, that is the unit name, and that is why this is the third chapter, the name of the village school. Now in this chapter you will learn a different things. What is that we all know that is the people of the village in previous time who are believing in orthodoxy, right? They were not giving the importance of education. They says what education is not needful in the human life. These are their mentality. Even they are not provided they were not provided education to the girls, because in their mentality that is only one thing, that girls who has to work as a household work, help to her mother after marriage, she has to handle her house. These are the mentalities, right? Now the time passes, and basically some of the community, they are not giving the higher education to the girls, and some of the community, but nowadays we know that all the fields, all the communities giving it means they are taking a higher education for their future life or better half of the life. Now here, this chapter, the village school. Now what is the exactly in this chapter? That in the village are people who are believing in orthodoxy. When someone, it means here in this chapter you will learn the three girls, Tabassum, Tarannum and Rubina, who are educated, and when they know the situation around the village, that time they are not happy, and that's why they want to change the face of the village, and they are facing lots of odds and problems, and finally they are success in their life. So in this chapter you will learn how you will inspire from that girl, it may not that those girls. So first of all I will give you the objectives of this chapter, that to perceive that every field of the work requires diligence. Diligence means what? Diligence means dedication. Diligence means dedication. If you wish to work any field, but in all the fields, whatever field you will select in your future, but one thing is what? Dedication of your work, dedication toward that work. If you are not dedicated that work, it means you will not get the success and you will not achieve your goal also. So first of all, that you will learn that how these girls dedicated towards their work and how they got the success. Second one, to recognize the planning involved in educating people in village against all odds. I told you that in that village, the people are not happy because these girls are providing the education. First of all, they are saying that we are give them basic skills, that how they will how will they earn the money and how will they do the cottage work. But when they entered in that school, then they are started giving then they are started to give education. So first of all, against all the odds, whatever the problems they are facing, then after they are use the planning. When they are use the planning, that time also they are facing the problems. When they are give the proper understanding to them, that time they are also suffer them. It means we all know that when a person who started work very what we say is that eagerly and very involved, he involved himself in that work, so our oppositor are always in front of us. They are not like our works also. And you are in school also, when the teacher appoint anyone as a monitor, right? That time you have started the complaint, sir, she is not good, he is not good, she or he is always supporting his or her friends. So what is this? All the odds. But then after he or she prove himself or herself as a good for the monitor in the classroom. So here in this chapter you will learn basically things. Now I will start the chapter, but before that remember that in our life whatever the odds or the problems when we have started a work, don't feel afraid and don't hesitate. You should work properly and you fight against all the odds, because if you will not fight you will not get your aim. So student, I hope you understand that what is the main idea of the chapter, that dedication of the work, and we have to fight against all the odds when we are decide that I want to achieve or I want to do some work for the society. Here these three girls also work for the society, but when you started the work for the society, and obviously people always opposed you. Recently we all know that we are facing the problem of the coronavirus, right? So government, whatever the step taking for the people, the opposition leader always oppose them. This is not good, this is not good. What is the good thing? Then you will handle it, right? So this thing here we have to learn. So student, I will start the chapter. So it says that Tabassum, Tarannum and Rubina are three inspiring young girls. So who are the inspiring? So answer is Tabassum, Tarannum and Rubina. What are they? So they are inspiring young girls. They have changed the face of the little village of Sajoy near Varanasi for a good. So give the name of the place, the village Sajoy, situated near, where is it? The district Varanasi. So inspiring means what? That making you feel you want to do something. Right? You will making what you want to do something for the society. Change the face, it means change how something was. That is whatever the basic, not the basic, but our previous mentality, right? That we are always follow our old customs and we have to change that customs. That is what changed the face. There was a time when no child in the village took education seriously. So what was the condition of the village in the past time? So not a single child who took education very seriously. Here, took educating seriously means what? Thought educating was very important. Right? They are not thinking that education is very important, but they are thinking, it means Rubina, Tabassum and Tarannum thinking that education is very important for us. Girls who dropped out of schools to help their mothers and the people of the village refused to see the importance of a good education. See that, I told you that. In villages, in some of the states villages, still they are believing that girls' education is not important. Here says that why would the girls drop out the school? So first of all, that drop out the school to help their mothers, right? And even people also say refuse that to refuse to see the importance of the good education. They are not like to education. They are saying पढ़ लिख कर क्या होने वाला है. They are their mentality, right? Nothing will prove for the education. It will education will not help in the future. It is their mentality because they are not educated. That's why same mentality they are implied their child. So here we know that is why the girls who drop out the school from the young age, and they are one mentality. What is their one mentality? That I have to help to my mother for the household work. And we all know that in some of the villages, some of the state of the villages, we know that in that state, girls means the girls who are not taking education for the household works. For example, they have to work for the house, taking care of their younger brothers and sisters, right? Work for outside, for the maid. See that. For the also says that they are working in that construction area. Why? Because they believes what? Girls' education is not important. Because if the girls who are taking education after the summit, they will go to their in-laws' house. So there is no need of the education. their mentality. Second thing, they are belong from the poor family, right? So they need a money also. That's why they send their girls. They send their girls in the household work area. For some houses, for the maid, some construction area. See this thing. That's why they are not giving the importance to the education. In our village, nobody studied. Right? See that. In our village, nobody studied. We, the three of us, were the only ones who finished school and went on the study further. See that. How were Tabassum, Tarannum and Rubina different from the other children in the village of Sajud? So in that village, not a single person who studied. And among all these children, only 3 children, it means Tabassum, Tarannum and Rubina, who finished their school and also went on the study for the further outside. Right? They went outside for their study. Right? Further study. They went outside for their further study. Why? Because they know the importance of the education. Even says that some of the children had never even stepped out of the village also. See that. Some of the children never stepped out of the village for the education. It means गांव के बाहर तक नहीं गए थे. They never see the outside of the world. Stepped out of the village. They did not went outside of the village. How can know that what is the district and what is the states and what is the country? How did they know? Because they went outside. They did not step outside of the village. The children from the Basti start working at the young age and ignoring their education. Now Basti means what? Basti means an area where the people with lower incomes live. Right? We all know that slum areas. They are known as Basti. They started working at the age of the young and ignore their education. They are picking up the what we say is that garbage, right? For that garbage lorry, then boot polishing. They are working in that area. See this. So do you think that in that village a student will study? No. Because only 3 girls who studied and also for the further study they went outside of the village. That's why they know that what is the society. Right? If a frog who lives in the well, the frog thinks that this is my world. Right? This is the big area. But if the frog went outside of that well, then after they realize, oh, there is a big oceans, rivers, lakes. The well is a drop of the water. While there is a outside of the well, there is a rivers, ponds, streams, oceans. These are the biggest water bodies. So this thing that you have to learn this chapter. So student, I stopped here my first part of the lesson. Thank you.